Hello everyone. Today in this class we are discussing about the operator in Python programming language. Operator are nothing but these are symbols which are used for computation. For example, plus, minus, multiplication and divide and act. So we will give example here 2 plus 4. This is called as expression where 2 and 4 are called as operand, and middle this is a plus is called as operator. There are different types of operators based on the operand and based on the operator. First we will see based on operands. There are two types of operator in binary operators and unary operators. As name indicate, if signal operand presents, then that operator is called as unary operator. Yes, there are only one operand present, this is called as unary operator. It means single operator where present, this is called as unary operator. For example, we gives minus 4. Minus 4 here, minus 4 is called as a unary operator because it contains single operator, that is 4. Okay, and the case in binary operator has two operands. For example, here we write 2 plus 4. Here plus is the binary operator because it contains two operands, and next based on operator there are four types on its. Here four types of this is the arithmetic operator, second is relational operator, third is membership operator, and fourth is boolean operators. So this is also called as boolean expression. This arithmetic operator, relational operator, membership operator and boolean operator, this is also called as boolean expression because result in this operation will be true or false. So this is called as boolean expression. Okay, discuss in this next class in all those topics. This small instruction to the operator in the Python programming, to the operator in the Python programming language. So thanks you for watching. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care, bye and see you again.